This 5-minute solution will show you how to add an email button to your Instagram profile or Instagram bio. First of all, go to your Instagram profile and now make sure to convert your Instagram personal account to a creator or business account. Once done, tap on Edit Profile. And here, tap on Contact Options. And here you will get this business email box. Tap on that. And now, write here your email address. Now, tap on Save. And after that, tap on Profile Display and enable Display Contact Info. And now tap on Done and go back to your Instagram profile page. And then here you will see the email button has been added to your Instagram profile. Now anyone will be able to directly email you by tapping on this email button on your profile. And note one thing, that go to Edit Profile again and tap on Contact Options. If you add your business phone number here, or if you add your Instagram audio calling option, or if you add any other options, then the email button will be changed. So let's add a phone number, for example, and tapping on Done. And now, if I go to my profile page, and here we can see the email button has been changed, and now it's a contact button. So by tapping on Contact, anyone will be call you or email you. So if you want to add only email button, then you have to remove another contact options from here. So this is how we can add an email button to our Instagram bio or profile. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.